Hi! What are we going to cook today?
Pizza!
Amelia, what ingredients do we need?
I don't know.
We need to make dough. For this, we need bowl, flour, water, salt. First, we need to pour the flour into a bowl. Next, we need to add a little salt. The next step is to gradually pour water into the bowl and stir. I am a zombie. We close the contents with a lid and wait. Amelia, look what we got. Amelia, now you need to roll out the dough. Sprinkle the dough with flour for convenience.
오빤 강남 스타일. 강남 스타일.
Look what I got. Amelia, now we need to make the filling for our pizza. Ketchup and mayonnaise are very harmful. Don't use them. Instead, we'll use a special pizza sauce. Let's not forget about cheese. The pizza's almost ready. Let's put it in the oven. A little time passed, and the pizza should have been cooked. Amelia, let's see what we got.
Wow!
Emily, will you share your pizza with your sister?
Yes.